Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your start and taskbar not responding or working in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at your keyboard, press Ctrl Alt and Delete keys together. Again, it is Ctrl Alt and Delete together to open Task Manager. Or you can simply press Ctrl Shift and escape together to open Task Manager. And there you have that. Okay. So once you have opened it, expand it first and proceed to run new task. Okay. So here in this window, you need to click on Browse. Okay. The moment you've clicked on it, proceed to your local disk. Okay. And here, you need to go with Windows, tap it, and proceed directly to System 32. So let's continue and scrolling down until we find it. Okay, double tap it. And here, aligning this forward arrow, click on it and type CMD and click enter. The moment you've clicked on it, this new window would appear. Okay, just have to paste this command, which I'll be pasting at the description box below. So don't worry for that. Okay, just copy this and then paste it here. Once you paste it, click on enter. Okay, and once done, just have to restart your computer. Okay, close this first and then restart your computer. And once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure your start and taskbar will now respond or will now working in your Windows or computer. So if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.